numerical combination of capacitors and to find equivalent capacitance. Here you are seeing in this diagram that four capacitors C1, C2, C3 and C4 are connected to form a quadrilateral. यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं ये चार जो कैपेसिटर्स हैं C1 2 माइक्रोफेरेड, C2 3 माइक्रोफेरेड, C3 4 माइक्रोफेरेड, C4 6 माइक्रोफेरेड, ये एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के आर्म्स के अलॉन्ग कनेक्टेड हैं. And along the diagonal of this quadrilateral BE, a fifth capacitor C5 is connected. Its value is 10 microfarad. Now we have to calculate its equivalent capacitance. इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में we will see that what is ratio between C1 C2 and what is ratio between C3 and C4. So here's ratio between C1 and C2 is 2/3 and ratio between C3 and C4 it is also 2/3 because C3/C4 is equal to 4 microfarad upon 6 microfarad which is equal to 2/3. So in this condition potential difference between B and E will be 0. Suppose you connect A to positive terminal of battery and D to negative terminal of battery, then charges will flow to charge the capacitors. First plate of each capacitor becomes positively charged and second negatively. So what will be charged on fifth capacitor? You will see that when this condition is satisfied, this ratio between C1 and C2 is equal to ratio between C3 and C4. Then potential difference between point B and E will be 0. There is no potential difference between point B and E. So there will be no charge on this fifth capacitor. So we can remove it from here. So our new diagram is like this. Now it is clear that C1 and C2 are in series and C3 and C4 are in series. Now C1A is 2 microfarad and C2 is 3 microfarad. This is 2 microfarad. Now C1 and C2 are in series, so equivalent of 2 microfarad and 3 microfarad when connected in series is 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 3 plus 2/6. This is equal to 5 by 6. So C dash is equal to 6 by 5 microfarad. Similarly, equivalent of 4 microfarad and 6 microfarad connected in series is 12 by 5 microfarad. Now this 6 by 5 microfarad and 12 by 5 microfarad, they are in parallel, so they are equivalent. C triple dash is equal to C dash plus C double dash. This is equal to 6 by 5 microfarad plus 12/5 microfarad. This is 18 by 5 microfarad and this is equal to 3.6 microfarad. So such types of problem will be solved like this. We can remove this 10 microfarad capacitor from here and then problem will be very easy. Now C1 and C2 becomes in series, C3 and C4 becomes in series and this combination is in parallel. So this is the way to solve such type of problems. Here is one more problem. In this diagram capacitors are connected like this. So when you inspect this is clear. There is 3 microfarad, 3 microfarad and 3 microfarad. These three capacitors are in series. We will solve problem from here. Okay. So their equivalent is 1 microfarad. Now this combination is parallel to this 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad, 3 and 3. Now this combination 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad, they are in parallel. So their equivalent is 3 microfarad. So ultimately we simplify this circuit like this, and we get 3 microfarad, 3 microfarad and 3 microfarad in series. Now their equivalent 1 by C is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So C is equal to 1 microfarad. So equivalent capacitance of this diagram is 1 microfarad.